I don't have a lot of space in my house right now because there's actually construction going on, and living with 2 dogs, 2 daughters, 4 chickens, and a lovely wife, well, I have this giant monstrosity of a bike right back here, and that's barely even fitting in our garage with all our construction equipment, which is why I got this bike cover right here. So I'm actually going to be showing you from square one, first of all, an unboxing, and then also how it actually goes on my full-size adult electric bike. And these things are big. Look at how beefy and fatty those tires are. So first of all, as you can see, it comes in the actual vacuum packing, and we're going to go ahead and open it up with my favorite knife, being careful not to actually pierce the cover itself. And let's go ahead and unveil and unfold this thing. Wow, they really packed this thing in tight. So if you're confused about how to orient this on your bike, just look for these reflective straps like this, and that will go right where the handlebars are. Easy enough. And just like that, I have freed up a huge portion of my garage by not actually storing this in there. And now during the summertime, or even during the winter here in the blustery Pacific Northwest, it will stay weatherized. Now, I do want to point out that if you are concerned about wind picking this up, well, there is a buckle under here, which goes on the back tire, and then on the front tire, there is another buckle on this side. Now, if in fact you have a very nice bike like mine and you actually don't want to leave it out on your patio in case someone comes and tries to steal it, you can also thread a bike lock through here, which locks down your front tire. And they've got these little handy reflective things here and there, so as you're walking along in the middle of the night, you won't clip your side on this as you're walking along. So that is it. Man, that is helpful.